Hey Luxaflex, Adam here. We just completed a renovation on our home. Come take a tour. So basically this is one of the original parts of the home. We got some information that it was built in 1919, so it's over 100 years old. This is actually one of my favourite bedrooms by far. It's one of the guest bedrooms that people love staying in. We're still in the old part of the house, the original cottage. This was the old main bedroom that was for my wife and I, so now a guest bedroom that the grandparents love. We're now in the main guest bathroom, same as the ensuite in the guest bedrooms. The same kind of vibe. We've got the terracotta here, that Spanish kind of render on the wall. And yeah, as you can see here, this is one of the Luxaflex products. It adds to that cottage charm. Yeah, we have the option there to keep it nice and moody in this bathroom. Welcome to the heart of the home. This is the extension, this is the living, the dining, and of course the kitchen. And then yeah, we move into the landscaping. As you can see out here, the pool area. Now, I can't go without mentioning the Lumishade product here. So when we went to the Luxaflex showroom, they showed us this product and I absolutely could not do without it. As you can see here, it works like this. Small demonstration. But it actually eliminates the use for any fly screens. We haven't felt like that we've needed them at all. The great thing about this product is that each little section is individually hung, so it just means you can walk in and out of these sections just like this. When choosing our products, sustainability was at the forefront of our minds, so the duet shades were an easy choice for us. They're also extremely stylish product. With the PowerView automation, the ability to put them on a schedule, and then, as you can see here, they still look beautiful. Welcome to the main bedroom. We've got the ensuite here and also our walk-in wardrobe. We really loved the design of this bedroom, and I'll show you the duet shades, how they work. It gives us the ability to kind of make this bedroom feel how we want it to feel. When we were renovating this home, we found it really important to keep in mind functionality, sustainability, but also keep the style that we really wanted. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the tour.